Welcome to today's edition of Science Biome. Desert. What is a desert like? The hot desert is a land of extremes, extreme heat and extreme dryness, sudden flash and floods and cold nights. Because deserts are such a harsh environment, deserts often have names like Death Valley, the empty quarter, and a place from where there is no return. Dryness. Deserts are usually very, very dry. Even the wettest deserts get less than 10 inches of precipitation a year. In most places, rain falls steadily throughout the year. But in the desert, there may be only a few periods of rain per year, with a lot of time between the rains. When it does rain, there may be quite a downpour. After the rain, desert flowers will bloom. Hot during the day, cold at the night. Everyone knows that during the day, many deserts are hot, very, very hot. Temperatures in excess of 100 degrees Fahrenheit are not uncommon. Yet at night, the same deserts can have temperatures fall into the 40s or 50s. Why? Other biomes are insulated by their humidity, water vapor in the air. Temperate deciduous forests, for example, may have 80% humidity or more during the day. This water reflects and absorbs sunlight and the energy brings it. At night, the water acts like a blanket, trapping heat inside the forest. Since deserts usually have only between 80 and 20% humidity to trap temperatures and have so few trees and other vegetation to retain heat, they cool down rapidly when the sun sets and heat up quickly after the sun rises. We are in Morocco, which is in the Sahara Desert. It is covered by mountains, rocky areas, gravel plains, salt flats, huge areas of dunes like we are in right now. Areas in central sometimes get no rain for years at a time. The largest desert in the world, fewer than 2 million inhabitants, mostly nomads such as the Tuareg, crossed the Arab caravan since the 10th century. Many deserts are found in bands along 30 degrees latitude north and 30 degrees latitude south, between the red lines on the map. Some deserts located by the mountains are caused by the rain shadow effect. As air moves up over a mountain range, it gets cold and loses the ability to hold moisture, so it rains or snows. When the air moves down the other side of the mountain, it gets warmer. Warm air can hold lots of moisture, so it doesn't rain as much, and a desert is formed. Deserts are the home of many living things. In fact, deserts are second only to tropical rainforests in the variety of plants and animal species that live there. How do you think plants grow in a place that is very, very, very dry? Many of the fascinating features of a desert plant are adaptations. You should know that. Traits that help the plant survive in its harsh environment. Desert plants have two main adaptations: ability to collect and store water. Features that reduce water loss. Desert plants often look different than plants in any other biome. Animals in a desert must survive in a hostile environment. Intense heat, searing sun, and lack of water are just a few of the challenges facing desert animals. Animals that live in a hot desert may have many adaptations. Miss Wilson taught you all about adaptations, you shall know. Some animals never drink, but get their water from seeds. Some can contain up to 50% water, and plants. Many animals are nocturnal, sleeping during the hot and dry and only coming out at night to eat and hunt. Some animals rarely spend any time above ground. Spade-foot toads spend 9 months of every year underground. If you would like to learn more about my biome, get a pencil out and write down this address: http:// www.ucmp.berkeley, sounds like broccoli, and that is berkeley.edu/exhibits exhibits/biomes/deserts.php. You have just watched Science Biomes, the desert. Goodbye.